Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic home decorating ideas blend charm, elegance, and nostalgia to create warm, inviting spaces full of personality. Here is a crafted list of ideas to inspire your fantastic style, organized by category. First, furniture and layout. Mix and match vintage pieces. Use flower market finds like a distressed vanity, a French Provençal chair, or a tufted velvet sofa. Mismatched but complementary. Use repurposed old furniture. Turn a vintage suitcase into a side table, or an antique ladder into a rustic bookshelf. Use whitewashed and distressed finishes. Paint furniture in soft white or pastel tones, and lightly sand for a warm, loved look. Wall decor and art. Use antique frames and mirrors. Ornate gold, white, or distressed oak frames. Give walls instant vintage elegance. Gallery walls of vintage finds use old botanical prints, sepia tone portraits, embroidery hooks, and pressed flowers art. Textiles and soft furnishings, layered linens and lace. Think lace trimmed curtains, crochet drawers, and embroidered cushions. Vintage inspired rugs use faded Persian or floral rugs to anchor cozy spaces with classic charm. Chairs and tall patterns add on cushions, bedding, or curtains for quintessential vintage flair. Lighting. Use crystal candelabras or beaded lampshades. Adds a touch of glamour and sparkle to rustic elements. Use vintage table lamps. Choose ceramic bases or brass finishes with plated or floral fabric shades. Accessories and accents. Use old books, globes, or typewriters. Decorate shelves and coffee tables with old covers, patina, and old world nostalgia. Use antique trays and tea sets, perfect for displaying candles, flowers, or hosting a vintage tea moment. Fresh or giant flowers in vintage vases. Think peonies, hydrangeas, or wildflowers in ceramic or milk glass containers. Bathroom and kitchen touches, clawfoot bathtubs, and pedestal sinks. Classic choices for a vintage bathroom. Open shelving with messengers and enamelware, ideal for a country vintage kitchen fill. Use floral china and teacups, display on open shelving or in a glass front hut. Vintage chic, also called Shabby chic at times, is a soft, feminine, romantic decorating style that combines antique and vintage inspired pieces with elegant, cozy aesthetics. It is her old world charm meets comfortable lived-in beauty. Think floral patterns, distressed finishes, delicate details, and a dreamy, light-filled ambience. Emotional and sensory feel. Nostalgia evokes the warmth of grandma's home or a beloved countryside cottage. Romantic, soft fabrics, lace, and floral motifs create a feeling of tender romance. Comforting, nothing is too precious. Lived in comfort is key. Whimsical, unexpected vintage details like a birdcase candlelight or embroidered handkerchiefs add playful character. Key elements of vintage chic decorating furniture, distressed finishes, sanded edged, chipped paint, and time-worn patinas are embraced. Carved motifs. Look for cloth tables, scalloped edged or ornate boards. Mix of eras combine Victorian chairs, French farmhouse tables, and retro finds. Repurposing old treasures as bottom vanities or trunks as coffee tables. Color palette. Foundational colors. Use soft whites, creams, and pale grays. Accent colors. Blush pinks, powder blues, muted greens, and buttery yellows. Layered tones. Add subtle contrast with aged brass, patina greens, or sepia browns. Textiles, fabrics use linen, cotton, lace, and crochet terminate. Patterns, windows florals, tall, faded stripes, and soft plaits. Layers, throws over sofas, dollars on tables, slipcovers on armchairs. Accessories, use vintage finds, old alarm clock, candle holders, ornate mirrors, and perfume bottles. Collections, teacups, antique books, mismatched china, or glassware. Flowers, fresh or dried in antique vases, roses, lavender, baby's breath. Lighting, crystal candeliers add instant vintage glamour, lamps with fabric shades, especially with rings, embroidery, or plating. Candles in ornate holders or grouped on trays for warmth and mood. Styling tips for each room. First, living room. Use a slip-covered sofa with floral pillows. Decorate a coffee table with vintage books, lace, and a ceramic vase. Hang an old window frame or gallery wall of vintage art. Bedroom, iron or canny bed frames with embroidered shades and a ruffled duvet. Use a vintage vanity or dresser with a floral mirror, plus perfume bottles or vintage jewelry boxes on trays. Kitchen, use open shelving with pastel dishes and mason jars. Apron front farmhouse sink with vintage style facade. Display enameler and floral teapots. Bathroom. Use clawfoot tub if possible. Vintage trays on hold soaps, paddles, and small hand towels. Lace curtains or embroidered shower curtains. Why to shop for vintage chic decor, cheap stores and stencils, hidden treasures abound, flower markets and antique fairs, best for unique statement pieces. The vintage chic style reflects your story. Frame family heirlooms, display handwritten letters or postcards, and mix sentimental keepsake with your decor. The imperfections and personal touches are what make the space feel authentic and magical. History and origins of vintage chic. The vintage chic style emerged in the late 20th century as a response to overly modern, minimalist interiors. People began embracing nostalgia, bringing back elements from the early 19th to the 1960s, particularly French countryside elegance, English cottage comfort, post-war 1940s to 1960s, a making turn, romantic Victorian and Edwardian influences. It became a movement of cozy refinement, antique without being stuffy, delicate without being impractical. Some styles of vintage chic. First, Shabby chic uses whitewashed furniture, chippy paint, soft pinks, and whites. Feminine, floral, and romantic, often with distress and antique details. Think Russell Ashwell's iconic style. Prince Fantastic, gold gilded mirrors, cabriole legs, tall fabric. Use ornate candelabras, muted neutrals, and aged oud. Inspired by Parisian apartments and rural Provence cottages. Cottagecore, or English country chic. Use layered florals, lace, cozy textiles, vintage botanical prints lived in fill, with t-shirts, garden roses, and old book collections. Design inspiration behind fantastic antique shops and flower markets, where authenticity shines. Country estates and old manor houses with time-worn elegance. Vintage clothing and textiles, influences of upholstery, color palettes, and trims. Lifestyle and fantastic. Fantastic is not just a look, it is a feeling. Many people adopt this style as a lifestyle choice, seeking slow living, connection to the past, and more emotional depth in their homes. Mindful taker. Every page has a story or purpose. Sentimental spaces, heirlooms, photos, love letters. Seasonal celebrations, decorating for each season using timeless, non commercial pictures like jade lavender reds in spring. How to mix fantastic with other styles. Fantastic is incredibly flexible. You can blend it with modern. Add a few clean lined modern pieces like a sleek sofa or matte black hardware to contrast with vintage softness. Rustic. Pair vintage textiles and lace with reclaimed wood and iron for a grounded, earthy twist. Use mimicry, rattan, and layered plants with vintage floral or crochet elements. Glam. Mix ornate mirrors, crystal candelabras, and vintage perfume trays for a Persian boudoir feel. Small touches that make a big difference. Decorative plates on walls, especially floral or tall patterns in mismatched arrangements. Use vintage clocks or barometers, perfect as focal points in hallways or kitchens. Perfect as focal points in hallways or kitchens. Use bird cases, lanterns, or candle domes for whimsical romantic details for shelves or mantels. Use old suitcases or hat boxes. Stack them for storage and style. Summer checklist. Vintage chic must-haves. Distressed antique furniture, soft pastels and floral patterns, lace, crochet, and vintage linens. Use dramatic lighting, candelabras or vintage lamps, sentimental accents like photos, trinkets, or heirlooms. Vintage finds, clocks, books, china, and mirrors. Use nature-inspired decor like flowers, birds, and feathers. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.